Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence became part of our everyday lives? Let me take you on a quick journey through time to discover the fascinating story of AI. It all started back in 1950 with a brilliant mathematician named Alan Turing. He came up with a simple but powerful idea. If a computer could talk to humans without them realizing it was a machine, then it would be considered intelligent. This became known as the Turing test, and it sparked the beginning of AI. In 1956, a group of super smart scientists got together at Dartmouth College for what would become the birth of artificial intelligence. They dreamed of creating machines that could think like humans. Pretty ambitious, right? The early days were full of excitement. Scientists created programs that could play chess and solve math problems. But then something interesting happened. They hit a roadblock because computers weren't powerful enough yet. This period was called the AI winter, kind of like a long cold season where progress slowed down. But everything changed in the 1990s when computers became faster and could store more information. Scientists developed something called machine learning, where computers could learn from experience, just like we do. Then came the internet, and wow, did that change everything! Suddenly, AI had access to massive amounts of information to learn from. Companies like Google started using AI to help us search the web, and Netflix began recommending shows we might like. Fast forward to today, and AI is everywhere. It helps us navigate with GPS, powers our virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa. It's part of this amazing AI journey too. The coolest part, we're still at the beginning of this incredible adventure. Who knows what AI will be able to do next? Maybe it'll help us solve some of the world's biggest problems or create things we haven't even imagined yet. So next time you ask Alexa or Siri to play your favorite song or get directions from Google Maps, remember, you're using technology that brilliant minds have been developing for over 70 years. Pretty amazing, right?